Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best knife set professional sharp stainless steel, the McCook 15-piece German stainless steel knife block set with a built-in sharpener. If you're in the market for a high-performance, restaurant-grade kitchen knife set that combines elegance, precision, and practicality, this one deserves your full attention. Let's start with what sets this knife set apart: quality and craftsmanship. The McCook knife set is crafted from high-carbon German stainless steel, which means not only durability but also resistance to tarnish and rust. These blades are engineered with taper grind edge technology, designed to maintain a razor-sharp edge for precise, effortless cutting. Whether you're slicing tomatoes paper thin or deboning a chicken, these knives are built to perform. And it's not just about the sharpness. Each knife in the set is ergonomically designed to offer balance and comfort. They're lightweight, well-balanced, and easy to handle, making them ideal for both professional chefs and home cooks who want a reliable, high-quality set for everyday use. Now, let's talk about the block itself. The built-in sharpener is a game-changer. It eliminates the need for separate sharpening tools, saving you time and counter space. Every time you store a knife back in its slot, it gets honed to retain its sharp edge. And the block isn't just functional. It's made of natural rubber wood with a beautiful veneer that resists grime and is easy to wipe clean. It's sleek, strong, and fits beautifully into any modern kitchen. As for the set itself, you're getting 15 pieces: an 8-inch chef knife, an 8-inch slicing knife, a 5-inch fine-edge santoku knife, a 5.5-inch serrated utility knife, a 5-inch utility knife, a 3.5-inch paring knife, 6 4.5-inch serrated steak knives, 2 pairs of kitchen shears, and of course, the knife block with that built-in sharpener. This variety of tools gives you everything you need for chopping, slicing, dicing, and serving, all in one cohesive package. What's more, the McCook set is easy to care for. While they aren't dishwasher safe, hand washing is recommended to preserve the finish and sharpness. The stainless steel design ensures the blades are rust-free and stain-resistant after cleaning. Just rinse, dry, and return them to the block. Simple as that. Let's not forget the aesthetics. The silver-black color and streamlined profile give these knives a premium, professional look that elevates any kitchen countertop. This set isn't just a tool set, it's a statement piece. To sum up, if you're looking for a professional quality, all-in-one knife set that offers top-notch performance, convenience with built-in sharpening, durable materials and sleek design, all at a reasonable price, the McCook 15-piece German stainless steel knife block set is a winner. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more no-nonsense reviews of top-rated kitchen tools and gadgets, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an upload. See you next time.